The Commission on Human Rights is seeking a reinvestigation of President Rodrigo Duterte's supposed links to the so-called Davao Death Squad. The call comes after self-confessed assassin Edgar Matubato claimed Mr. Duterte had a direct hand in the killings in Davao City when he was mayor. The commission ended its probe on the Davao Death Squad in 2012. It said the systematic killings happened in 2005 to 2009. The commission recommended separate investigations by the Ombudsman, Justice Department, and the National Bureau of Investigation.
We are waiting for the appropriate agencies to also do their job to assess whether or not they should also file appropriate charges.
The Ombudsman ended its probe in 2015 for lack of evidence to link Mr. Duterte to the Davao Death Squad. But the Human Rights Commission says the Ombudsman could still reopen the case if there's a new witness or evidence.
They did say that it is subject to reopening if further evidence would resurface. And it is without prejudice to the independent investigations to be conducted by the NBI as well as the DOJ.
For the Volunteers Against Crime and Corruption, the actions of the Commission and Senator Laila De Lima are politically motivated. Spokesperson Arsenio Evangelista says this hinders the President's all-out war against illegal drugs and criminality.
Sinisira nila yung momentum dun sa laban and eradication ng fight against drugs.
Evangelista adds the Human Rights Commission has also been biased and selective in who they help.
Yung mandate nila, namimili sila ng mga tinutulungan nila. Masyado silang pro-criminal pag victim ang kriminal.
The anti-crime group says a lot has already improved on public security ever since Mr. Duterte became president. Rex Remitio, CNN Philippines.